Welcome to my channel, everybody. Today this is the chapter of about the geometric progression. Okay, so now see what series is called geometric progression. And if the number like see, for example, here 2 4 8 16 32, see there is a ratio, first by second, second by third by second, second by first, third by second, like that. 4 by 2, 8 by 4, and 16 by 8, and 32 by 16. The ratio we are same. So this called common ratio. Sorry. So then as the ratio is same, as ratio is same, then series is a GP series. Okay. Now, for example, if B, this is number 2 example, AR square, and see this is the first term, see second term, this is to the power 1, and this is the third term, see power we have 2. So in that case, so if r to the power n minus 1, then we can say this is the nth term. So this is called the nth term. Therefore t suffix n is equal to a into r to the power n minus 1, where a is called first term, r is called common ratio, okay, n equal to number of terms, and Tn is equal to nth term. Okay, so this is the notation. Now we have to find the sum of the series here, like 3. Let us assume this is an Sn, AR square, and this is the last term we had a into r to the power n minus 1, and the previous term we had a into r to the power n minus 2, like that. So if we multiply by r to the Sn, which are given this series, multiply by r. If we multiply by r, then we get here AR. If we multiply by r, then we get here AR square. Okay. So the one term are shifted to the second position. So if we multiply by r, then we get here a into r to the power n minus 1. And the previous term we had a into r to the power n minus 3. Multiply by r, then a into r to the power n minus 2 here. Okay. After that, if we multiply by r, then the last term we had a into r to the power n. Okay. And doing minus to the series here without using the formula, then what we get here? So this is Sn minus r into Sn. So a, this, all the term are cancelled. So you have left here a, and this is minus a into r to the power n. So taken common Sn, this is 1 minus r, and common a, this is r to the power n. So Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r. Actually this formula will be written when r is less than 1. Okay, and also Sn can be written as like that, and this is the rules for written. Actually looking like same, but when is r is less than 1, then we can write this form. And if r is more than 1, then we can write here this. Okay, so this is a GP series and sum of this series. And now we have to find the GM, geometric mean. Now discuss about GM. For a two number, like if we given two number, we have A and B, find the geometric mean. Let us assume x is the mean. Then from the geometric series, then these three numbers are in GP. So we can write here x by a and b by x. So we can write here x square equal to ab. So root over ab. Okay, this is plus minus root over ab. So geometric mean be here. This is, and 5 look like this is a or b. Let us assume there are the n mean for GP series. How many terms are there? This is the n mean are there. Okay. Okay. So including a and b, there are n mean. If we include n mean with a and b, the total number of terms, then total numbers of terms be here n plus 2. So this is the first term and this is the last term. So we can write here Tn plus 2, which is given here b. And now for that, the formula finding the term, this is here the number of term we have n plus 2. So this is here b, and this is your first term. So we can write here a into r to the where n plus 2. This is the number of term, and this is minus 1. So now we can write here from that. So that is b equal to a into r to the power n plus 1. See carefully, n plus 2 minus 1, this is n plus 1. Okay. Now find r to the power n plus 1 is equal to b by a. So we have find here r is equal to b by a, that is to the power n plus 1 here. Okay. If we find first mean, this is the first term of the second term of the series. Okay. First mean is equal to second term of the series. This is T2. You can write here a into r to the power 2 minus 1. So a into r. So a into r means is this. So we can write here this. This is the first mean. Okay, and for the last mean, this is b, and the previous term is called the last mean. So we can say that the last mean, and that is equal to b by r. We can simply write as r be the radius, common ratio. Also see here you use here r, so r here is the common ratio. So as see here, if term b has a r square, then the previous term is divided by r, then we get the second term, and this is the last term, and we have to find the previous term. If we divide by again r, then we get a into r to the power n minus 2. So that's b is the last term. So we want to get the previous term from the last term. That is b by r here. Okay. So b is this, and r, the value of r is here b by a, and to the power 1 by n plus 1, and we can write here b into a by b to the power 1 by n plus 1. Like that we can easily find the geometric mean, first mean, second mean, third mean, last mean, like that. Okay. Now sorry everybody. Now we have to introduce some problems. See carefully. Okay, this is the theorem for finding a term and also the sum of series here, and also the mean of that here. Okay. See, now we have to introduce some problem. We have taken now here the sum problem to the book of Essendey. Okay, so I'm not there. Okay, so see. So now in the book of Essendey there was some problem. First problem we have to introduce here is here. This is the series that is given here x. This is 5, x, y, and also z, and 4, 0, 5. Okay, are the first 5 term of a GP are in GP. Okay, this is the marks 2 question. Okay, marks 2 question, and question number 1 is that, and GP, find the value of x square, x, y, z. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these 5 number are in GP. So see, this is the first term and this is the last term. So you can write here A we have 5 and this is the last term, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So you can write here T fifth, that is A into R to the power 5 minus 1. A means here 5, okay, and R to the power 4, and that is equal to 405. So now R to the power 4 is equal to 405 by 5. So this is 81. 5 is 40. So this is here and 3 to the power 4. So you can take a plus minus 3 here. Okay. So now find when. Now A is equal to 5. A is equal to 5 and now just take a sign 3 here. Then you have, after the finding the x, y, z value, and then we again when r equal to minus 3, then what will you get? X, z value of x, y, z. See, and now first we have to take the sign as well as positive here. So x means the second term, that is here 2, t2, and that is a into r to the power 2 minus 1. So a into r. A means here 5. We can put here 5, and r means 3. So this is here 15. Now y, and that is 3, third term. So this is a into r to the power 3 minus 1. A means 5 here. Okay, this is a square. R square means 3 square. And 45. And now we have to find z. And that will be ratio as 3. So we can easily say that this is by 3 here. So if it divided by 3, actually 3 13 5 3 5 15 3 के 9 के 10 okay 135. Okay, see, this is the value of x, y, z. Again we can take a sign of minus, then simply we get the value of x, y, z here. Okay, so this is the first solution of GP. And now third question. Now in the marks 2 part we have to find the solution of third number question, Roman 1, and it is given that the 10th term and 5th term of the series here 2, 6, 2, 6, 18, and here is 54. Okay, find 10th and 5th term. Okay, 10th and 5th term of the GP. This is the GP we see here. So here is A is equal to 2 here, and we can write here 18 by 6, 3 by 2, 6 by 2, that is 3. Okay, so 10th term, this is T10, that is A into R to the power 10 minus 1. So see, this is here 2, and R means 3 to the power 9. So simply 3 to the power 9 into 2, this is your answer. Now you have to find your T suffix P, that is A into R to the power P minus 1. And the value of A here is 2, and here is 2, and R is 3 here. So R means 3 to the power P minus 1. This is your answer. Okay. Okay. So now next question is that, and the 4 part 1 here, 4 part 1 for marks 2. Question is that 4 part 1, okay, and third term of a GP is square of the first term, then find 5th term. Third term T3 of a GP, third term of a GP is square of the first term. Let A be the first term. So third term is equal to the square of the first term. You know the third term here, that is here A into R to the power 3 minus 1, and we can write here this. So A are cancelled. So R square is equal to A. Okay. So this is the first case we have get here. And the first term and 5th term. First term and the 5th term. Now it is given that the t-fifth, is 7 to 9. Find the GP. Again I repeat the question here. It is given that the third term is the square of the first term. This is number one case. Okay, this is number one case. It is given here. And second case is that the fifth term is this. Then find the series. Okay, so that's why we let us assume if A with the first term and R be the common ratio. Okay, common ratio. So again I repeat, in this question, given that the first term, third term is square of the first term, we have written here, and the t-fifth term is 7 to 9. Then find the series. So naturally we have to find the value of A and R. Then we get the series here. So A is this. So from that we can write here A into R to the power 5 minus 1 is equal to 7 to 9. So from that A means there is a R square and also R to the power 4 here. So 7 to 9. So R to the power 6 here, that is 7 to 9. Actually, this is a multiple of actually 3 to the power 9. No. 7 to 9. 7 to 9 maybe divided by 3 to the power 3. 3 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 3. 27 and 27. সাথে 9 and carry 4, 7 দুগুণে 14, 4 18, 7 দুগুণে 14 আর 1 দুগুণে 4 কে 5. So 9, 2, 7. Okay, and that is actually 3 to the power 6 here. So R is equal to 3. We can write it. Actually, this is we get here plus minus 6. Just we have to take a sign, only positive sign. Then when R is equal to 3 and here A is equal to R square, means here we can write that 3 square minus 9. So series is AR, A square, AR cube. And this is a series, and that is A means here 9, comma AR 27. Again A means 9, 981. Like that we can find the series here. Okay, this is the geometric progression. So which is your queries from the question. Okay, see, this is your answer. And now we have to proceed the next question. A very interesting question here. So again, in the part of marks 2 and 4, part and 2 here. Okay, 4 part 2. If the P plus Q term of a GP, if the P plus Q term of GP is A and P minus kth term is B. Okay, so find T suffix P. Okay, pth term, find pth term. Okay, now again let us assume A and B are given there, so we can take a first term B, not taking a here. So let X be the first term, okay, and Y be the common ratio. Okay, now T suffix P plus Q is equal to X into Y to the power P plus Q minus 1, and that is given that is a A, and T suffix P minus Q, x into y to the power P minus Q minus 1, that is a B, and this is number 1 and this is number 2. If you multiply doing 1 and 2, what do you get there? So that is A into B here. So x into x square and y to the power P plus Q minus 1 and y to the power P minus Q minus 1. So AB is equal to x square and y to the power P plus Q minus 1 plus P minus Q minus 1. So this is okay, x square and y to the power 2p minus 2. So AB. So now we can write here x and y whole to the power. No, this is here p minus 1. And take at that. Okay, x into y to the power p minus 1, that is equal to plus minus root over AB here. Okay, therefore the T suffix P is equal to plus minus root over AB. So this is your solution. Okay. Now we have to attend the same part, marks 2 and 4 part 3, and this is also a very interesting question. So you have to proceed the 3 here. And question is there that if the nth term of a GP, if the nth term of a GP, nth term of a GP BP, okay, and then show that the product of first, then show that the product of first 2n minus 1 terms is p to the power 2n minus 1 actually. Okay, so same we can solution. Let A be the first term and R be the common ratio. Okay, and if the nth term be P, so we can write here nth term, this is T suffix n, that is A into R to the power n minus 1, that is given that P, it is given, okay, number 1 case. And the first, this is the product, so this is small p and this is the capital P, and symbolize that. So actually the symbol of product we use here, pi is the symbol of product, that is that's why we noted as a pi, and pi is equal to the okay, see I think there is a point in India there. This is capital P, so AR square, so that is here A into R to the power, this is the number of term B here 2n minus 1, first 2n minus 1, so and this is the number of term, so this is minus 1, okay. This is the, if we know that the n be the number of terms, so the nth term be here A into R to the power n minus 1. So now n here is 2n minus 1. So you can write like that, okay. Again we repeat the P in the form of that A into R to the power. Actually this is written as this is let us assume we write here as a L, and which is L is equal to A into R to the power 2n minus 1 minus 1, that is A into R to the power 2n minus 2l, okay. So this is here L, and previous term be L by R also, so this is here L and L by R square, like that, and A and AR, just reverse order, we have to write here only reverse order. So if we product this p into p. This is we get here p square. That is capital P. This is not a p, and this is the small p, which is given that the nth term we have p, and p it is noted as the product symbol. Okay, that is capital P here. Both are not same here. So AL, that is AL. If we multiply, this is we get here AL, and this is AL, and this is AL, and same as we get here AL. So AL to the power, how much term are there? And this is the number of term we have 2n minus 1. Okay, so this is their 2n minus 1. So now the value of L here, L means here A into r to the power 2n minus 2. So you can write A into A, this is square. So r to the power, take a common 2n minus 1, okay? So we write here A into r to the power n minus 1, and this is their whole square. And p there is p square. So this is a p square. So capital P is equal to plus minus actually A into r to the power n minus 1. And the value of A into r to the power n minus 1, okay, and this is the nth term. This is your small p, okay, actually small p. Now this is, actually we have to miss the power 2n minus 1. This is here 2n minus 1, okay. This is here 2n minus 1, actually this is here 2n minus 1. No needed to write here as just only the single values here. Okay, see, product we have p to the power 2n minus 1 here. Okay, very interesting question. See carefully. Now again copied it, and now again the section marks 2. There is a question number 5. Question number 5 is 256 a term of GP, a term of GP, that is 3, 6, 12 and 24. Okay, this is asked the question. And now let us assume this is the nth term. Then what happens we see here, A be the first term, okay, and R we have this by this here 2, okay. So now this is, let us assume this is the nth term, that is your 256. See what happened here. So 3, nth term means 3 into 2 to the power n minus 1 and 256. And 256 is 16 into 16, that is 256. So that is 16 into 2 to the power 4 and 4, this is your 8. But you can't never find the value of n here as it is the power of 2 to the power 8 and it is divided by 3 here, okay. So therefore 256 is not a term of the series, okay. So not possible here, as this is the, you see here carefully, okay, see this is 2 and which is power is n minus 1 and also 2 to the power 8, but there is a 3, so can't possibly, it is we get here if we divide it, and this is not a base of 2 here, so 256 is not a term of this series, okay. Now fill in the blanks in question number 6, and fill in the blank, that is 11 by 4, and that is the 2 blank are there, okay. A very simple question, 22 by 7, and this is at first, this is second, this is third and fourth. We have to take 11 by 4 here, and T4 is that 22 by 7. We can easily A into R to the power 4 minus 1, we can write here, and 20 by 7. A means 11 by 4 and R to the power cube and 22 by 27. So this is, you can write here 2. So r to the power q here is 8 by 27, that is 3 by, sorry, this is 2 by 3 whole to the power q. So r we can get here 2 by 3. And now second, T2. So that is a into r to the power 2 minus 1. A means here 11 by 4, 11 by 4. And this is r means 2 by 3. Okay, and T3. And we have to find the third term. This is the blank of that. We easily fill up this third term, T3. And that is equal to a into r to the power 2 here. So a means here 11 by 4. See carefully, this is 11 by 4. And the r square. R square means this is here 2 by 3. And square we have easily find the value of that. Okay. I think I better understand all the question here. Okay. Now 7. For marks 2, you have to find the question number 7. This is here in marks 2. This is the question number 7 here. And see, given that the value of r, this is find r, and it is given that 3r plus 1, okay, 7r and 10r plus 8 are in GP. So simply we can write here this by this, and this is 10r plus 8 by 7r. So multiply this, okay. r square, this is 10r, 3r stay, 24, 34r and 8. If we subtract this, we get here 19r square. Okay, 34r minus 8 equal to 0. We have easily find the value of r from the middle factor. Okay, so see, you know the solution here. And now proceed the question number 9. This is a very interesting question also. This is 9 here. Unequal positive number A, B, C are in GP. A, B, C are not equal. Okay, it is given. So we can write here B by A and C by B. So B square equal to AC. Okay, it is given. Now then show that what is the question? A plus C greater than 2B. Okay, so see carefully. Okay, so ABC and GP it is given, and we have to show this is greater than. Now divided by A plus C by B here. So A by B and C by B. Okay. Now see, in the place of C by B, we can put here A by B plus this is their B by A. Now this is, we can write here A by B whole square and also root over B by A whole square. And like A square plus B square, we can write like that. B by, and this is a real number. Okay, and it is given that the ABC are positive real number. So as we written the root over of that, so need to know AB are positive or not. It is given that the ABC are positive real number. It is in the question. It is given that the ABC are positive real number. So this is a square and twice AB. 2. Okay, root over B by A also. Okay. So now see, this is whole square plus 2. So easily A plus C by B here. So A plus C by B is more than, as it is never be negative. So what will be the minimum value on the left right hand side? It is 2. It is possible when this would be a 0. It is possible. And this equal to this, then we get here B square equal to A square. Actually A equal to B. Okay. So it is more than, not equal to. So this is not equal. We have to write only more than. So A plus B, A plus C is greater than 2B. Okay, it is proved. And now next question. This marks 2. We go to the section of marks 4. Okay. In your question, given that the sum of the first 8 terms of a GP is 5 times of the sum of the 4 terms, then find the common ratio. The sum of first 4 terms, sorry, this is the first 8 terms. First 8 terms, sum of the first 8 terms of a GP is 8 times. Sorry, sum of the first 8 terms 5 times is, this is 5 times the sum of first 4 terms. Then find common ratio. Okay, so this is your question. So first 8 terms, sum of first 8 terms is here a into r to the power 8 minus 1 by r minus 1, and this is there 5 times of that, a into r to the power first 4 terms. So this is, we can write here like that, these are cancelled. So these are cancelled also. R to the power 4 minus 1, factorize this as a plus b minus b, okay? And this is 5 times of r to the power 4 minus 1, okay? And this is to cancel. R to the power 4 is equal to 4, and then r is equal to and 2 square, and this is only 1 by 4, and this is root 2, okay? So this is plus minus, okay? This is the value of r here. Okay, why? And my next video there was some more problem we have to introduce all of you here, okay? See carefully.